Hi, what is the value of x given that you have open bracket x plus 3 close the bracket to the power of 2 equals 3 to the power of 2. Let's have it to be solution. Now let's say we want to use first method. Let's say we have method 1. From here, when you have x plus 3 all in bracket to the power of 2 equals 3 to the power of 2, we have to recall that when you have a plus b all in parentheses to the power of 2, this always equals as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And from the left hand side, we have our a to be equals x and our b to be equals 3. So when you substitute everything, this implies we are going to have here to be x squared plus 2 into x and 3 plus here will be 3 squared, everything equals 3 to the power of 2. Then from here we have x squared plus 2 times 3 will give us 6x plus 3 squared will be 9 equals 9. So from here we have our x squared plus 6x plus 9. Let's take this one to the other side. We are going to have it to be minus 9. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. So from here we have x squared plus 6x. This and this will cancel. So we are going to be left with 6x and everything will be equals 0. We can see that x is common. When you factor it out, x squared divided by x, we only have x. 6x divided by x, we only have 6. Close the bracket and everything equals 0. Now, what are we trying to say is that for this particular expression to be equal 0 is either we have x to be equals 0 or we have x plus 6 to be equals 0. And so from here we have x to be equals minus 6. So therefore finally we have x to be equals 0 and minus 6 as the first method. So we have x to be equals 0 and x equals minus 6. Then when we to apply the second method, let's say method 2. We are going to have, we have x plus 3 all in parentheses to the power of 2 equals 3 to the power of 2. Then let's take this to the other side. We are going to have x plus 3 all in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2, this 3. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. Mere looking at this expression, this one has power 2, this one has power 2. We have to recall that when you have a squared minus b squared always equals as open bracket a plus b close the bracket again multiplied by open bracket a minus b close the bracket. Difference of 2 squared. By applying it here, we must know that our a will be equals x plus 3. Then our b will be equals ordinary 3. And so therefore, we are going to have this will be x plus 3 from here, then plus 3, we close the bracket. Again multiply by x plus 3, then minus 3, we close the bracket, we set everything to be equal 0. Now, from here, we are going to have this to be x plus 3 will give us 6. We close it. Multiply by this and this, we cancel. We only have x left, then we have everything to be equal 0. So therefore we have x outside multiplied by x plus 6 all in bracket, then we set everything to be equal 0. Then what are we trying to say is that for this particular expression to be equal 0, it's either we have x equals 0 or we have x plus 6 equals 0. And so from here we have x to be equals minus 6. Again, method 2 gives the same answer as the method 1. Then let's check. We have x plus 3 all in bracket to the power of 2 equals 3 to the power of 2. When s equals 0, this implies we are going to have 0 plus 3 all in bracket to the power of 2. Then is it going to give us 3 to the power of 2? 0 plus 3 will be 3 to the power of 2, which equals 3 to the power of 2. 9 will be equals 9. Also, when s equals minus 6, so we are going to have here to be x plus 3 all in bracket to the power of 2 equals 3 to the power of 2. Then when s equals minus 6, so here will be x minus 6 plus 3. We close the bracket, then to the power of 2 is going to give us 3 to the power of 2. From here, we have minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 will give us minus 3 to the power of 2. Then it's going to give us to the power of 2. This to the power of even. This will be plus 3 to the power of 2, which equals 3 to the power of 2. 9 will be equals 9. So therefore, x equals 0 and minus 6 satisfy the problem given to us. If you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.